If you don't like the bump that a knit front back increase makes, or you just want a really simple way to increase your stitches, this is an easy alternative that gives you a much smoother result. This is what a knit front back increase looks like. You get that little bump across the front of your work. But using this increase, you get a much smoother and less noticeable appearance. And the nice thing is, you don't need to know how to knit front back to do this. If you're a beginner, this is actually a really easy way to start increasing. And if you're already using the knit front back, this is a great alternative if you want a cleaner finish. I call it knit front, slip back, and once you've done it once, it's really straightforward. I'll show it to you slowly first and then at normal speed. You want to make this increase on the right side of your work. When you reach where you want to make your increase, you knit into the front of the stitch, but don't take the stitch you're working into off the needle, just as if you were doing a knit front back. Then, instead of knitting into the back of the same stitch as you would with your knit front back, you just slip the stitch over to your right needle without working it. And that's it. So you're not twisting anything or working into the back, just knitting the front and slipping it. And here it is at normal speed. Knit into the front, don't drop, slip the back. So compared to a knit front back, it's fewer steps, it gives you a smoother result without that visible bump. It works really nicely in garter stitch, as you can see here, and also in stockinette stitch, and anywhere you want your increases to blend in more. Give it a try, it's a really useful increase to have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment below if you use this increase. Happy knitting!